What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Thank you for tuning in. And today we're going to just do a quick garage talk because I'm going to talk about a couple of parts I just got in for the new Chevy, and then actually I'm going to do install the videos, but I think those are going to be separate just to kind of keep the length of the video down, so forth and so on. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget, hit subscribe. If you guys have not seen any of our new content, this is the new truck. I got it partially pulled in because I am looking at doing an install on this guy. So that's right, this, let me get a little closer for you. This is the GM or Chevy Nudge bar, bull bar, whatever you want to call it. Behind it, I've got the sport bar. Take a look at that real quick. It is the gray with the red inserts. I might at some point take it all back off and then maybe go get it powder coated black or something different. But for now, I am going to do installs. I did get these used. These are quite an expensive option if you want them, if your truck didn't come with them and you want to buy them. There's some tricks to it and a lot to it. So this thing right here per GM retails for about $5.95. You can go onto the Chevy website. It is what it is. Bolts into the mounting place for the tow hooks. In fact, I just started working on that. Again, I'll do an install video just for this. And then you have the sport bar. Now the sport bar, you have to get a special tonneau cover. So I did over here, take off the tonneau cover. I'm selling that. That's the tri-fold hard. That's another GM or Chevy accessory, retails for about 870 bucks. This sport rack, ultimately what this does is it goes into the front stake. So right there, and then there's a clamp that clamps to the bed rail on the back here. Now it does have the GM Baja Lights, which are these. I believe these are quite a bit overpriced. So these lights from GM are also about $1,000. So the sport bar is $1,000. The lights are $1,000. Obviously, I got this whole setup used. I got it from a guy. I actually, maybe in the summertime, we'll be featuring his truck. He has a really nice heavy duty diesel truck that he's done a lot of cool things with. I BS'd with him when I was getting this stuff, and he's got a really cool setup and really cool radio replacement deal. Anyways, I'll go into that stuff later. So this is obviously going to go on to the new truck to add some styling cues. Obviously, I wanted the bull bar on there, and then I am going to figure out. Oh, there is. I don't know what these holes are for. There are holes there. I am going to figure out how I want to mount some lights to this bar, and I'm not sure what the best way to do that at this time is, but it's okay because I need to get this thing installed on the truck. Now, in addition to the bull bar, the sport bar, we do have a lot of other cool stuff coming to the Chevy build. I am still waiting on parts from Amazon. By the time this comes out, they'll be here, I'm sure of it. But the Silverado project is in full force. I'm super happy to get these. I like how the styling that GM did, and I like how it looks. So that pretty much wraps it up. What do you guys think of the GM style bull bar as opposed to your conventional like Weston style, or well, pretty much Weston set the staple in my mind for bull bars, to where it's just you've got the lower grading and then it hoops up, kind of hoops up in the middle there, and then you can mount lights. I've installed a bunch of those. This is actually the first factory one I've ever, or manufacturer one I've ever installed. And then I obviously did the Tiger bull bar on the F-150, which was nice as well. So let's wrap it up there. I'm going to set up and hopefully install this. Now, there is some tricks to this. You'll have to watch the install video if you're interested. The install on this is similar to what you'll see on a lot of other bull bars. I watched a lot of videos, read a bunch of stuff about that. So again, if you're interested in that, check out the build page for this, and you'll see this pretty much get installed, because I'm going to do that right after this video. Talking about this video, don't forget, hit subscribe, share, like, do all of those things. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll catch up with you guys next week.